So in this video, we'll be building what's called a schema. As I mentioned in the previous video, schema is just a series of tags that help search engines figure out your page in a better way, helping you rank better. Let's go into WordPress. We'll explore the Appearance tab and go into the file editor here. And here we can find the theme functions. Go down to the bottom and paste in the code that's available in the reference section below this video. Control V. Paste that in. So this uses ACF in your page, and then using those fields to build the code that will end up in the head section of your page. Don't forget to update the file here. These fields are specific to the script, so you don't want to rename these fields unless you want to go in and fiddle with the script. Rename it based on what you want. We're going to go ahead and create these, and as I create them, I'll explain what they are. I believe I have a couple of fields already started here. Yeah, I do. So what I did was I created a field group called Schema, just like we created here with the classes earlier. So I've got my fields here already done. I'm going to go back and edit some of these types. So here I have a true false type here for the include. And for the include video, I also need a true false. Select this from the list and go ahead and save. Let's go back into the video classes. Let's select this video one here. I actually have renamed it since our last video, as I'm actually working live on this course as I'm making this video. So as you remember here, I just have the video and then the custom fields here, which I've already filled in. And then if you go to the bottom here, you're going to see these new fields for the schema. Here we have the title. Let's put in a description. Crack course lesson about how to use Bricks. For the schema time, we can use decimals. So the script will convert the decimals into the equivalent that it's looking for. So let's go ahead and just type in 0.1 here for approximately 5 minutes. And then for our keywords, I'm going to use the same keywords that I use in YouTube. I'll just go ahead and paste those in here. Just get rid of a few of them here. We need to also add a schema for our video. So let's go ahead and save this. View the video class once again. And now we can just go ahead and copy the URL. And I'm going to schema.org. We'll click here to validate and paste in the URL, and then it's going to run a test here. As you can see, we've got 2 detected, and this is the one we just created. The type is set to creative work, and then the keywords that we added, and then the video object here as well, and the URL of where the video is. But we do need to change this here, creative work. Here you can see the 6 minutes here. See that 6M? That's the length of the course here. And then down here we have the video object because we toggled that on. So let's go back and I want to show you how to change this type here. If we look at the code again, towards the top here, you can see here it's asking to select the schema type. And the schema type is the field that we forgot to create. You can see here that if you don't select the schema type, you will get creative work here. We'll come back into ACF. We'll choose schema here. And then we'll add a field with field type set to radio button. And the field label we'll just call schema type. And the field name will be automatically generated like that. This is important that it matches the script. Now the choices are also important. So the first choice is going to be called learning resource. This is a schema type, so it needs to match. And then this one is another schema type called course. Let's go ahead and save the changes. Select the video one here. And we'll go down and we'll see the learning resources automatically checked. So to toggle this one, this would be more for the main course page. showing all the lessons. But for our video lessons, we'll choose this. We'll choose save. We'll go back into our schema.org. We'll paste the video in here, and then we'll run the test. So now we have the learning resource here without any errors, and you can see that it's got everything listed like before.